Yo, Jason Eubanks and hihbowling.com, hashtag hit it harder. You see the fresh threads right here. Check that out. Hit it harder jersey. Thank you guys for sticking around. I put out as much content as I could with the shutdown. Showed you guys how to build a bowling ball rack, how to start a fire with a bowling ball. We talked about depth perception as far as the pins go. And I even showed you what to do with those old bowling awards that you got laying around the house. But we're back to business now. If you are in a state that requires you to wear a mask, we even talked about the Aero Pure mask from Genesis. You can check those out. So today we have another supporter-sponsored ball review. This ball is donated to us by Darius Cotton. So today we're going to look at the Blizzard Rush by Lord Field. Very, very pretty looking bowling ball. This is the second ball that I'm throwing from California Bowling. So I'm starting to learn more about their characteristics. So it's going to be some trial and error. I noticed that these balls are just heavy rolling, period, no matter the surface. So with me, probably on the next one I get, I can probably do more aggressive layouts. Like on all my other stuff, like I have my nuclear cell and my results drilled pretty similar. I'm having to go with 5-inch pins so that I can use them. But when I go 5-inch pins with this, it's kind of like delaying a heavy roll. So if I miss in, it's gonna sail on me because it never had the time to pick up, you know what I mean? But if you can get it to the friction, you're fine. So I compared it to the two balls, moved left, and it hung with it if I got it to the friction. But if I missed in, it would give me that over-under reaction and it wouldn't quite recover as much as some of the other stuff. So my room for error was very, very small with this ball. I'd probably stay in that 4.5 inch range just so that I can throw it. So high rev rates, high speed, I think this is a company that you can probably throw because it's not gonna overdo anything and you don't have to dumb them down to throw it. All right, thank you guys for watching. Let's go check out some footage.
Eubanks.
Oh,